In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to split a bill in the Monzo app. Splitting a bill in Monzo is a quick way to share costs without doing the math yourself or chasing people later. All you need is the Monzo app open and the transaction you want to split ready in your feed. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and I'll share a few tips along the way so everything is clear. Start by opening the Monzo app on your device. From your home screen, scroll through your recent activity and find the transaction you want to split. This might be a restaurant bill, a ride share, or anything else you paid for. Tap on that transaction to open its details. Take a second to confirm it's the right one, including the date, the merchant, and the total amount. On the transaction screen, look for the option that says split this bill and select it. This opens the bill splitting tool and prepares the request for you. Next, choose the contacts you want to split the bill with. You can search by name and select everyone who should contribute. The people you add will receive a payment request, and if they use Monzo, they'll see it directly in their app. Make sure you only include the people who are actually sharing this cost. Now adjust the amounts if needed. By default, Monzo usually divides the total equally, which is perfect when everyone owes the same share. If the split isn't even, you can edit each person's amount to match what they owe. You might increase one person's share if they ordered extras or reduce another's if they only had a small item. As you edit, keep an eye on the total to make sure everything adds up correctly. You can also leave yourself out of the split if you've already covered your part. When you're happy with the split, send the request. You can add a short note for context, like dinner at the restaurant or taxi from the station, so everyone knows what it's for. Then confirm to send. That's it. Your bill has now been split and payment requests have been sent. Each person you included will receive a prompt to pay their share, and you'll see updates in the app as the requests are settled. If someone pays, you'll notice the status change on the transaction screen. If anything looks off, you can return to the transaction to review the details and make adjustments, or cancel the request if needed. With these steps, you can split expenses cleanly and keep your shared costs organized right inside Monzo.